Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use robust energy for men and women. To begin, always read the product label thoroughly before starting any new supplement. It's crucial to understand the recommended serving size and frequency. Consistency is key for experiencing the full benefits of robust energy, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. For men, robust energy is formulated to support various aspects of daily performance. It can contribute to improved stamina and endurance, making daily activities and workouts more effective. Users often experience enhanced mental focus and reduced feelings of fatigue, helping them stay sharp throughout the day. Many men also report a noticeable boost in overall vitality, empowering them to tackle challenges with confidence. Robust energy offers significant advantages for women too, focusing on their unique energy needs. It can assist in combating daily tiredness and supports greater mental alertness. Many women find it helps reduce feelings of fatigue and supports improved concentration. Users frequently report sustained energy levels and enhanced clarity, empowering them to manage their busy schedules with renewed vigor and confidence. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to take 1 capsule of robust energy daily, preferably in the morning before a meal. Always adhere to the suggested dosage and never exceed 1 capsule within a 24-hour period. Store the product in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.